Hello guys, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Mary. I'm a recovering addict. But if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Guys, today in this video, I am going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. My children love to make a mess and don't clean it up. So today we're going to see what's in my refrigerator. I'm a little scared, and what's in my freezer, and I'm a little scared because it's atrocious. Now, are you ready for this? Also, please make sure you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and comment down below. And also, you guys can request a video that you want to see. You can request anything from me. You can ask me any questions you want because I'm here to answer them. I love you guys being in this community, and we can all support each other. Yes. So let's get into this video with cleaning this refrigerator, guys, because I am, how long some stuff been in this refrigerator, that's the main thing I want you to see. So we're going to pull everything out and we're going to check the dates. Look, there's like literally nothing in here. Like it should be thrown in the trash. And then look what else is in here.
Oh my God.
A bag with only a receipt in it. And the receipt date is 11/26/2024. Wow, one of my children was being really lazy.
An empty water bottle. A lid. This is a cinnamon roll, and it's hard as a rock. Want to hear? Look at that. Trash.
And we have here Taco Bell mild queso cheese, and the date here is November 4th, 2024. Wow, let's look inside to see what this looks like. Ew, gross.
And then we have an old apple. Really, really old apple. And we have potatoes. I know that they're new. Spaghetti noodles. They're in the fridge. We had a mouse problem about a month ago, so we just kept some stuff in the refrigerator. This onion, I know this is new because my son used it actually yesterday.
My kids were just being lazy because there's barely anything in this chai tea latte. And the date on this says August 14th, 2024. What the heck?
All right, guys, I know the butter's good. I know this is good. I know that the cheese is good because now this should have been thrown away because there's literally nothing in it. I know these carrots are good. I know this garlic is good because I bought that. Oh no, guys, what's this? Oh no, look at that. Moldy cheese, ew. I know this cheese is good because it's my son's. I know this is new. Philadelphia cream cheese. They're my daughters. Coloring. Do not touch. I don't know whose this is. Oh, this date is September 4th, 2024. Again, I know this is my son. It's queso. he uses it. That, oh, look at that. Close up. Ew. No, they're shallots. I don't know if they're old or new. Let's see if there's a date on this. Nope, no date. Ew. And then there is his potatoes, and I know they're good. First, I have to loosen my hair. It's too tight because I'm getting a headache. And I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun so we can start scrubbing. And then we gotta do the freezer. Oh no! All right, guys, a lot better. So let's start cleaning this baby. I'm doing the I don't want to clean dance. I don't want to clean. I wish I had a maid. I don't want to clean. I wish I had it made. All right, guys, let's go clean this refrigerator. We're going to take this drawer out. Look how dirty it is. Strawberries, a chocolate bar, Uncrustables. Let's see what's in this drawer. So this is cheese, that's good. This is mozzarella cheese, I know that's good. Burritos, I know they're good, my son just made them. Barbecue sauce, I know this is good because we just bought it. Ham, I actually just bought this ham the other day. And this barbecue sauce, but look how dirty that is. Ew, gotta clean that one. All right, guys, so I have eggs. I know they're good. I know this fruit is good. Eggs, I know these are good. But guys, look at this drawer. Ooh, this is the whole fridge, top to bottom. Let's take this one out. Yes, there we go. Ew, guys, look at that. All the racks out. That's what I'm gonna do. Take all these out so we can just clean in the fridge. All right, guys, so it all turned white. So let's get cleaning this. It smells like onions in here. It smells like a cat.
Two hours later.
It's time for the reveal. Look. Look at the inside. You see that shiny? There's a couple of stains that won't come off. But look at that. Tell me how I did, guys. Oh, there's a piece of hair. You tell me how I did.
I'ma clean these shelves, throw the old stuff away, put the condiments to the side, and I'll be back for the reveal.
Guys, let me tell you something. I put my fat arm into that. I scrubbed the mess out of that refrigerator. Let me show you the door.
Remember how dirty this door was top to bottom? I scrubbed it. I put my fat arm into it. And look how shiny it is. I conquered it. I finished it. Now it's time to scrub them drawers and put everything back in its place. Wait till you see how clean and shiny I got everything. I even used a toothbrush to scrub in between the cracks and the crevices.
Alrighty, I finished it. I conquered it. Look, guys, tell me what you think in the comments. So this one is my son's drawer, my other son's drawer. I put their stuff away. I cleaned it. I scrubbed it. This is my daughter's stuff. And over here is the condiments.
I finished it, guys. It took me 2.5 hours. Now it's time for me to start the freezer. Oh no! I don't even know where to start. Should I start the door or should I start in the freezer?
The food is going to go bad if it's like this. I don't know what's in this aluminum foil. I'm scared. I know these are my son's. I know these are good. It's the date. Oh my goodness, no. This is 6/5/24. This is bad. This has got to go. And then just the plastic bag and aluminum foil. And this is actually 6/20/25. Green beans. October 2026. They're good. Corn on the cob. I mean, it looks freezer burnt. Green beans, and I know these are good. But this is September 2026. Old popsicle. We're going to throw that away. Chicken nuggets. I know they're good. They're my daughter's. Ground beef. This is my son's. I know that's good. Oh no, guys.
Ooh, now this chicken right here, this is bad. It's been in here for 1.5 years.
Mussels, pierogies, bag of chicken. Whoa, more ground beef. Woo! I caught that. Did you see that fall out the freezer on me? This is my son's big cakes. These are mini hash browns. I know these are good, but let's just, oh no. 10/1/24. Ah! Scary!
There's curly fries, more ground beef, and chicken. This stuff is good. I'm just going to put it to the side.
A bag of baby corn. And let's see what the date is. April 5th, 2026. That's good. Guys, don't mind the noise. My son and his friends are over playing the game. Mixed veggies. More bacon, that's bad. Oh no, guys, what is this? No. That's totally bad. We gotta throw that baby in the trash. This is just squished. Whoever's was this, I'm sorry, and it was good, but done. Was this yours?
The waffle fries and the chocolate cream pie is good.
Look at this bacon. Because look at it. And this definitely has to go in the trash. August 25th, 2024.
Now it's time to go through this food, get all the old stuff thrown away, and clean out these shelves. I'm going to put these pretzels in a freezer bag.
So much better, and it's going to stay fresh. Yay! Hot dogs look nasty. Guys, this is definitely trash. Ew. Yes. Doesn't even have a date. Or maybe it is. I mean, maybe it's not bad because it's frozen and it's not even open yet. But I know this is trash. It's one piece, I don't even know what that is. But it just looks weird. Here's a burrito. Let's see if there's a date on it. January 2026, that's still good. Oh, what is this? This is, you can knock on it. Ooh. You know what, guys, you know what the date is? The date is 3/25/2024. So we had frozen fruits. I know this is good. Ooh. Old pancakes, trash. Another burrito, not trash. Ew, look at that. Ew. Oh my God. Guys, these are definitely trash. Look at these wieners. Ew. Guys, let's see what this date is. Guys, this is 2023. Look, this is 4/2/2023. They are trash. They just look old. We're gonna throw that in trash. Look how old they look. Ew. Trash. Yes. Look, July 12th, 2023. Trash. Trash. I don't know how long they've been there for. I am going to scrape all of this out.
I honestly thought it was going to be easy to scrape all this food up with the spatula, but actually it's really hard. It's starting to hurt my hand.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Guys, I'm getting so overwhelmed with this damn spatula. I gave up with it. I'm gonna use my hands to get all this dirt out of the bottom of the freezer. Then I'm gonna go back to the spatula. Hopefully it doesn't cut my hand again.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
You guys have to see the ending result. Do you guys think I gave up? Do you think I got too overwhelmed? Wait till you see what's next. Stay tuned. She said that thing is white. Yes, it is. I'm so happy. I conquered it. I finished it. I scrubbed it. I cleaned it. It's shiny. Even though my hand is cut, my hands are sore, my arms hurt.
All right, guys, what you think? The food's away? The food's away in the door? In freezer bags? Let me know in the comments what you think. How did I do?
Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for coming and cleaning with me. Remember to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and comment down below. Until my next video, bye guys, bye friends.